In today's video, I'll teach you how to check your reposted videos on Snapchat. First of all, launch open Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. So if you would like to check your reposted video, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access your profile over here. So what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now towards the bottom, you'll be able to find this section for my favorites and reposts. If you have added any of the posts to favorites and reposts, it will be displayed over here. So like this, you'll be able to see all of your reposted videos. If you would like to see one particular reposted video, simply tap on the reposted video that you would like to see. So like this, you'll be able to check the reposted video. So that is how you check your reposted videos on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.